Hey, Sun Gold, this is Ira Walker again. Just wanted to share a song with y'all real quick. This one's called Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres. It's just talking about how our loved ones have gone on, talking about, Christians have gone on, and how preachers and children and brothers and sisters have gone on to that heavenly place, it's this high place, and it's saying that we're on our way. And so it's just encouraging us to keep looking ahead, keep looking forward. We may struggle in this life, but we know that a better time is coming, for those who are believers in Jesus. So this song is just an encouragement song, sometimes sung at invitations, but it says that we're going to see each other again on that last day, and that we're going to be where Jesus is at, and just encourages us to keep going. Just wanted to share this with y'all.
Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Vpeyakvres, Akasamage Vpeyana, Akasamage Vpeyana, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Jesus like Vpeyakvres, Jesus like Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Mvskoke Vpeyakvres, Mvskoke Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres. Hvlwe Min Vpeyakvres, and just again want to encourage y'all to subscribe and keep up with the videos, because try to keep putting them out. Try to put it out at least once a week, you know. Just get some songs out there, and got some other, like I said, some other ideas I might want to. I'm trying to get together. Hopefully, get some more people on here. That way, you can hear some other voices and hear somebody just besides me, because I know there's a lot of other people out there that can sing songs. And again, I'm just wanting to get the songs out there for people to hear and enjoy, maybe get them interested in learning them. But until then, just hope the best for y'all, and thanks for watching. Mvskoke.